Hello friends, I'm Ufukshan. Welcome to the Twinmotion training set. We will use Twinmotion using Twinmotion 2025. In this training set, you will see many fun aspects of Twinmotion. Friends, when you type Twinmotion download on Google, just click on this link from the section that appears. Look from the Twinmotion section. From this section here, friends, you need to download the Epic Games Launcher by clicking the Irigi download button over there. It already explains how to do it here. First of all, you need to download the Epic Games Launcher. Let me translate it into Turkish to make it clearer. Look, you are downloading the launcher here. You start downloading Twinmotion. I will show it in a moment. There are some important parts supported by Twinmotion here, Windows 64 and Mac OS. It uses estimated file size is 23 GB. Make sure to have a graphics card with at least 6 GB of memory. The download time at this speed takes about 15 minutes, friends. That's why the system requirements section is very important. Why is it important, you ask? Here, in the graphics card section, friends, it uses a system that employs the ray tracing technology we call ray tracing, Twinmotion. Therefore, in graphics cards, you should opt for graphics cards that support DirectX 11 and DirectX 12. And it's beneficial to use ray tracing cards like at least 4060, 4050, 3060. With these graphics cards, you can do great work. Truly, Twinmotion is fun, and with a soda, it's a section where you can do amazing work with the scenes inside. Using the creative abilities in your own imaginary world, you can accomplish many projects. Friends, now, let's say you've done these. You've downloaded the Epic Launcher. Friends, Epic Launcher is a process like this. You sign up with your own email address. After signing up, this page appears. Epic Games Epic Launcher. I will show it when it comes up, where you downloaded it from, friends. After this menu opens, Alensim and Twinmotion are located in the same tab at the top row. Look, Twinmotion, Reality Capture Library. And in this section, you can download Alensim. Our section is the Twinmotion section. The latest 2025.1 preview version was used from the Twinmotion section. Since we've been using Twinmotion for a long time, these versions come to us quickly and for free. We've been using Twinmotion versions since 2013, 2014, starting from Twinmotion 1. We continue with the 2020-2025.1 preview version. The latest version is not the final version, but I will be taking the lessons from 2025.1 because in a few months, the final version of this will be released. When you press the start button, Twinmotion will now start. Friends, there are many innovations and developments related to Twinmotion 2025. Here, if you download this plugin, friends, the plugins you have been using, that is, you download SketchUp, Blender, Twinmotion, and other plugins from here. A model you have created in SketchUp or a model you have created in 3DMX or Blender. You can send it directly to Twinmotion and work on it live. That's it for this lesson. After downloading the launcher, it's enough to say Start Here. In another lesson, by saying Start, we will see important aspects about the screen interface. Friends,